Hello everyone, this is Kingsman Gaming, and today we're going to play this game called Will You Press the Button? So, yeah, this game is basically to either press a button or not, because of these. So anyway, let's begin the game. Oh, if you don't know, I saw Mark Borg play this, and it was funny. But anyway, let's just begin the game. Let me maximize this first. Okay. Become Tumblr famous, but you'll have to join the Westboro Baptist Church. Okay. Maybe I will become more famous. You have pressed the button. Let's see. Wait a minute. Wait, there's more people. Wait, more people did not. Okay. Guess we're gonna have to hit next. Okay. You can freeze time at Wii, but you will age twice as fast when it stopped. Oh, it says will. You can freeze time at will, but you will have to age twice as fast when it stopped. Uh, I'll not. Hey, what do you know? More people did not press the button. Great. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Well, did not press the button. This sucks. Okay. You can have a man / woman of your dreams, but you will both die in 24 hours. Not. Ha! A lot of people did not press the button. Alright. You can bring back to life any one person of your choice from all history, but they will follow you around like a lost puppy, even to the bathroom. Okay, this. Ah, people are, a lot of people press the button. Okay, next. You become famous, respected, and rich, but you cannot have any friends anymore. Oh, that's so sad. I would dream to become famous. I'll press the button. Yeah. No, but a lot of people did not press the button. Okay. Become a music artist and make millions, but every song you make features Miley Cyrus post work. Okay, I have to say this, but I feel like if I become a singer, then I would be like Weird Al Banky because he parodies a lot of songs. Yeah, if I make features Miley Cyrus, if it features Miley Cyrus, then I don't know. I'm just not press the button. Oh, more people press the button. Yeah. Okay. You can bring anyone you love back to life, but however, someone else you love will die. I I should not. Okay, great. Okay, you will gain the ability to shapeshift into any person, creature, or thing you want while retaining your sentence. Everyone you know thinks you are dead, and you will never interact with them ever again. Uh, uh, not. Is it just me, or is this a tie? I don't know. Have a job you love, but you'll get the worst pay. ever. Well, I am autistic, but I wouldn't get the worst pay ever. Okay, I'm just gonna press the button. More people disagree with this. Poop. Alright. Be the most subscribed YouTube user of all time, but you only get dislikes, flags, and negative comments. I am a YouTuber. I want to be the most subscribed user of all time. I mean, I know some of my videos have dislikes, like that Five Nights at Freddy's 6 April Fool's video. Even though it was supposed to be a April Fool's prank, I think people will dislike it. But anyway, why am I even talking about that? Anyway, I would just press the button. More people dislike this. Okay. Okay. Any and every wish you have is granted without any consequences, but upon pressing the button, time will reverse to a few moments before pressing it. Every wish you have is granted without any consequences. Upon pressing the button, time will reverse to a few moments before pressing it. I will not. Okay. All of your pockets now lead to a different dimension. If you root around in it for about 7 seconds, you can pull out whatever you want, provided it would fit the width of the pocket. But there is a carnivorous and indestructible interdimensional creature living in the pocket universe and desperately wants to eat your hand and get close enough to bite you in 6.5 seconds. Not. You can read anything, any language, even music, but you can't write anything by what any means. You can read anything, any language, even music. You can't write anything by any means. I'll not. Oh, come on, like, seriously, how are more people agreeing with this than the dislikes? Okay, you get the superpower of your choice, but when you die, you'll drown in mayonnaise. I'll just press it. Great. I joined the agreement. Okay. You can go back in time to stop Hitler from being born, but everyone in the future is strictly Jewish and there's no other religion. Well, I'm half Jewish. I will not, because that's like back in like during World War II. Like, that was the Holocaust. I wish I could go back, but sadly, I'm just gonna press I will not. Yep, that's worth it. Fair. Okay. Anyone you have okay. Okay, that's pretty much not appropriate. Okay. Any video game you'll play will always be a masterpiece, but you can never watch anime again. Well, who cares? I don't watch anime at all. I'm just press this button. Well, many people like this, so yeah. Okay, you get the X-ray vision, but you get a boner every time you use it. Okay, you get a boner every time you use it. Let's press it. Great. A universal language replaces all languages of the world, but this language is English. Well, yeah, English I'll understand. Other languages I won't. Okay, many people agreed with this. How many minutes it has been? Only 10 minutes. Gosh. I'll do one more. Okay, you can change your physical appearance mentally, but your gender alternates on a daily basis. Not. Okay, great. So anyway, I think that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. And this is Canesman Gaming.